So here is the main screen of Bodhi Tree. You can log in by clicking here. Your instructor account would have been provided for you. So you just need to use the login credentials to log in. So once you log in, you're going to end up on this screen, which we call as the My Dashboard screen. So when you click on it, this is the screen that you're going to see. If you click on this Explore, you would see what all courses are running on this particular server. This server does not have many courses. So let me show you another server. So here, as you can see, there are a lot of courses that are running. If you have an instructor account, you should be seeing this Add Course button. If you are not seeing this button, that means your account is not an instructor account, in which case you need to contact us for getting an instructor account. So one of the first things you will do as an instructor is to create a course. So for that, you are going to click on this button, Add Course. You need to give a title for that course. Let me give a title as demo. You can also upload a course image. So I'm going to select a course image for this. So let me just select this. And this is an important field. There are two types of enrollment, open and moderated. You need to make a choice between these. What open means is that this course is open to the public. Anyone who has an account on Bodhi Tree will be able to enroll in this particular course. Typically, MOOC courses are set to open. The other option is moderated. Moderated means you have control over who can enroll in your course. How this control is provided, we will see shortly when we are enrolling students. For now, I'm going to set this course as moderated and then I'm going to do Add Course. So when I add course, it is going to take me to inside the course. But if you really want to see how the course looks, let me go back to my dashboard. So here, as you can see, this is how the course is going to look. One thing I want to mention here is this Publish button. This course is currently unpublished. That means it is not visible under that Explore field. Your students will not be able to see this course. For a course to be visible to the students, you need to publish a course. So do remember to publish your course before you let students access the course. So let's enter the course. This is where all the action is. With respect to course creation, one other button you should be aware is this Course Management Settings button. This gives you the same fields as before. In case you want to change the title of your course, you can change it here. You can also change the course image as well as the enrollment type and update it. So as you can see, the course title has changed. So this is how you start out with creating a course.